Major Hurricane Erin alert now, a Category 5 catastrophic hurricane.
This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service National Hurricane Center in Miami, Florida, and from Weather Rampage WX on what is now Major Category 4 Hurricane Erin in the eastern Atlantic Ocean. This dangerous major hurricane continues to rapidly intensify. At 8 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, 1200 UTC, the center of major and intense Hurricane Erin was located near latitude position 19.6 degrees north and longitude position 62.0 degrees west. While the eye has wobbled westward during the past few hours, Erin is moving generally toward the west-northwest near 20 miles per hour, 31 kilometers per hour. This motion is expected to continue through the weekend with a gradual decrease in forward speed. A turn toward the north is expected to occur early next week. On the forecast track, the center of Erin is expected to move just north of the northern Leeward Islands, the Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico over the weekend. Reports from NOAA and Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft indicate that maximum sustained winds have increased to near 145 miles per hour, 230 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Erin is a Category 4 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Continued rapid strengthening is expected today, followed by fluctuations in intensity through the weekend. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 30 miles 45 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 125 miles 205 kilometers, mainly to the north of the center. The latest minimum central pressure estimated from Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft data is 935 millibars 27.61 inches. We will continue to monitor this major hurricane as it has now become a dangerous major hurricane. If you live in Puerto Rico, Cuba, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, the Florida Keys, the entire east coast of the U.S., and the island of Bermuda, very close attention needs to be everyone's focus in these areas as Hurricane Erin gets closer and closer to U.S. territory. Although weather model data has the storm missing the east coast of the U.S. entirely, if changes occur in the storm's path, we will let you know. If you live in the Florida Keys, the Bahama Islands, and Bermuda, make preparations now to be ready to evacuate should this storm move into your direction. Because this hurricane has become a major Category 4 hurricane and is still intensifying, there will still be very dangerous rip currents and very dangerous surf along the entire east coast of the U.S., the Florida Keys, the Bahamas, Haiti and the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, the Leeward Islands, and the island of Bermuda. Do not put yourselves or others in danger when rip currents and heavy surf is at its worst. This is not an ideal situation to be out in the ocean during dangerous rip currents because you and others could be swept out into the sea and drowned. Please heed lifeguard warnings and rip current signs that talk about the danger of rip currents. Special weather update. Major Hurricane Erin has intensified now to Category 5 status with winds up to 160 miles per hour. And Air Force reconnaissance plane found winds around the center of Major Hurricane Erin as of 10:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time up to 160 miles per hour. This hurricane has now hit the catastrophic category. More updates are to come.